Hello friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. In this session, I will be doing 5 challenging questions of RCC. Okay, now those 5 questions you can solve right now live here and evaluate yourself. Of course, the report card or the evaluation report card or the reference is also taken here or is also given here. Okay, so guys, before I start this session, just my small request to all the champions out there, quickly guys, take your pen, copy, calculator with you. I'm just giving you 45 seconds or 60 seconds, and then we will be going with this super duper questions. Okay, if someone is new here, let me introduce myself guys. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score better rank than this. Okay, you can also connect me in my Telegram group, that is Civil by Abhinav sir. And if you want to personally connect me, you can also connect me on my mail ID, that is abhinav.negi@byju's.com. Now आज remote नहीं चल रहा यार. Okay, so I have to do it like this. UPSC mains result is out. If you also wish to give the interview, you can also give the interview guys. That is in our Noida sector 125 office. The Google form is in the description box. You can fill the form and have a free mock interview. The scholarship test will be guys on 17th of September, that is from 9 AM to 9 PM. And next is my workshop. Okay, that is not here, it's okay. And guys, this is the vision group, vision courses. If you want to enroll in BYJU'S exam prep, then you can enroll in the courses. Okay, English and Hindi both courses are there. Okay, where we are teaching you the complete course from the zero level. Guys, the SOM revision series, the complete SOM revision series is starting from 18th of September by me and Dheeraj sir. Few subjects I will be taking, few subjects Dheeraj sir will be taking. Okay, and we will be revising the chapter and then we will be taking some numericals. Each chapter we have divided like this. Achha, that table is not here. Ah, that table is also here. The table is here guys, like simple stress and strain, both me and Dheeraj sir will be doing simultaneously on 16th. Oh sorry, not it is not from 16th, it is 18th. Then I'll be doing bending and shear stresses, then principal stresses Dheeraj sir will be doing, then SFT BMD I'll be doing, and this every chapter guys that will be on this YouTube channel, the same YouTube channel will be doing that. Okay, so guys, from 16th of September the complete SOM series is going on for the revision plus questions of each and every chapter. Now this is tomorrow. Tomorrow means T se tomorrow, T se Thursday. Okay, this is 11 AM. Exactly as gate paper is 30 questions of 1 marks, 35 questions of 2 marks. Okay, so total 65 questions including maths, including aptitude, including the all technical subjects. In the same pattern this session will be going to happen. Okay, 30 questions of 1 marks, 35 questions of 2 marks, total 100 marks, same, exactly same as gate pattern, that includes aptitude plus maths plus other chapters. Okay, so how's the Josh guys? Everyone please put a heart sign on the comment section. How is the Josh? Okay, so this is my Telegram group guys, where more than 5,000 students have already joined. You can also join me in the Telegram group for all the PDF scholarship tests and everything. Okay, let us do the question. Yes, here is the question. Understand the question and hit it guys. Total only 5 questions. Okay, otherwise I can take a session here for 1 hour where I'll be solving hundreds of the questions. No, only 5 questions guys, but those 5 questions will be really powerful, really challenging, which they will taught you many things guys. A rectangular RCC beam of 250 mm wide and 400 mm effective depth. The beam is 250 mm wide, okay, and 400 mm is the effective depth. Okay guys, no doubt till now. Is to be analyzed. This beam has to be analyzed, but the analysis has to be done on the modified assumptions. What is the assumption? That if I make a strain diagram, then the strain on the compression side is not 0.0035 as per IS 456, but it is 0.003. Okay sir, got it sir. And the strain in the steel should be, the maximum strain in the steel should be at the time of failure is 1.15 ES, okay, plus 0.0025. Okay, this is the maximum, or the strain should be more than this at the time of failure. This assumption is on the base कि पहले steel fail हो भाई. Steel का stress ज़्यादा होने का मतलब we don't want the stress in the steel or strain in the steel should be more. We want that first steel should fail. So at when it reaches 0.003, the strain here should be more than that. Okay. Now the M20, okay, the M20 and Fe is 415, and there are 3 bars of 16 mm dia. There are 3 bars, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is of 16 mm diameter. Okay, guys. Now the effective depth is also given. उसका कुछ होगा नहीं. The balanced neutral axis. Okay. What is XU limiting? What is XU limiting, guys? Balanced means that, hello Ashwin, how are you? Balanced means that at the time where the failure in the concrete and steel is occurring simultaneously. The balanced failure means when the failure in the concrete and steel is occurring simultaneously. That means if you apply the similar triangle, suppose this is XU limiting, okay, this will be D minus XU limiting. Okay, what is small d? Can you please tell me? What is the value of small d? Okay, what is the effective depth? Of course, the depth is 400 minus 30. The d value is 400 minus 30. Now, applying the similar triangle, 0.003 upon Fy by 1.15 ES plus 0.0025 is equal to XU limiting upon D minus XU limiting. Okay, from this expression, guys, how much is unknown? कितने terms हैं? How many terms are there which are unknown in this expression? Okay, hello Jasu, what is the name? Jaya Surya, civil engineer. Okay, I'm just telling you guys, some new values have been given as per the IS 456. This is 0.0035, but in the question they said that it is a modified value 0.003 and this is the value. So for the balance section, we are applying the similar triangle. When it reaches the concrete, the maximum strain in the concrete and in the steel reaches at the same table in the same time in the balance section. So that will be XU limiting upon D minus XU limiting. Now here D is known, Fy is 415, ES is also given, ES, ES, ES. ES का वैल्यू नहीं तो जो आपके पास नॉर्मली ES का वैल्यू रहता है आप वो लगा दो. ओके, ES का वैल्यू आपके पास कितना रहता है? 2 into 10 की पावर 5. If not given, then Young's modulus is, we have to take it 2 into 10 की पावर Newton, 2 into 10 की पावर 5 Newton per m square. So D is known 370, Fy is 415, ES is known, only one unknown. Okay, only one unknown, that is XU limiting. Can you tell me what is the value coming from here? XU limiting is 164.28. Okay, so nearest answer will be 164.28. Okay, so nearest answer we have to take, that is B option. That is B option. Give me yes or no. Have you understood? Okay, जो जैसूरी स्कूल में एक बार स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ाऊंगा ना तब समझोगे, तब समझोगे. ये तो अभी मैं सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल्स करा रहा हूं. Have you understood this, guys? Everyone? Okay, now the another question, we have to do total 5 questions, but this I have not taken as one, I have not taken it 2. I have not taken this question as 2. Otherwise ऐसे तो फिर 1 to 5 only in one single question हो जाएगा. Okay, so the difference in the above neutral axis compared to the maximum neutral axis calculated as per IS 456. What is for the FE 415? What is XU limiting? Okay, for 500 it is 0.53D, 0.46D. For what is for FE 415? It is 0.48D. Please tell me. Okay, 0.48 into 400. What is the value? जल्दी से बताओ. What is the value? 192. Okay, so sorry guys, the D is, that value of D is na 400. Okay, the value of D itself is the 400 and 300. If that's effective depth na, that was effective depth. that was effective depth. Okay, that includes this 30 mm. That includes this 30 mm. Now, what is the value? 0.48D is 0.48 into 400, 192, and the difference will be XU limiting of IS 456 and XU limiting of the modification value, that is 192 minus, what was the value earlier we are getting? 164.28. okay, earlier the value is 164.28 or 160.41, we have to take it precisely. So कितना आया यहाँ से? इसको मैं सेकंड क्वेश्चन काउंट नहीं कर रहा, आई एम नॉट काउंटिंग दिस एज सेकंड क्वेश्चन, आई एम नॉट काउंटिंग दिस एज सेकंड क्वेश्चन. 31.59. okay, one ही question है, take it only one, take this question as only one, guys. okay, keep sharing guys, everyone, chalo. Let us go to the question number 2. okay, that was both questions, I have taken only a single question. Tell me question number 2. okay, the mean strength of the certain number of sample of concrete is 20.78, FM is 20.78 and the deviation is 3.5. what is characteristic strength? FCK. what is the characteristic strength? FCK. चलो बताओ everybody. ये तो easy है यार, ये तो easy है. FCK is the characteristic strength is mean strength में से FM minus 1.645 sigma. 1.645 sigma. what is FM? 20.78. 1.645 into sigma, that is 3.5. यहां से वैल्यू बताना एक बार कितना आ रहा है, यहां से वैल्यू बताना 15 के आसपास आ रहा है क्या? 15 के आसपास आ रहा है क्या? एवरीवन प्लीज चेक मी एंड लेट मी नो. वेरी गुड इवनिंग गुरप्रीत, जय सूर्या, वेलकम guys. everyone keep sharing the session so that more and more commandos can join in. That was question number 1. that is question number 2. now let us move to question number 3. come on, chalo. The stress developed in concrete and steel in reinforced concrete beam of 23 centimeter wide and 42 centimeter effective depth is 4 Newton per m square and 180. okay, if the value of modular ratio, मतलब working stress method की बात कर रहा है, that means modular ratio means working stress method की बात कर रहा है, is 80 in the depth of the neutral axis is, okay, जो आप सिग्मा सीबीसी वाला सिमिलर ट्राइंगल निकालोगे, okay, वहां से जो स्ट्रेस डायग्राम का सिमिलर ट्राइंगल निकालोगे, यहां से सिग्मा सीबीसी वैल्यू होगी, ओके, कंक्रीट इन बेंडिंग इन कंप्रेशन, यहाँ पे सिग्मा एस टी बाई एम होगा, यहाँ पे एक्स ए होगा, यहाँ पे डी माइनस एक्स होगा, वट एवर द योर टर्म्स आर, एक्स यू और डी माइनस एक्स यू. फ्रॉम हियर द डेप्थ ऑफ न्यूट्रल एक्सिस, फ्रॉम दिस सिमिलर ट्राइंगल कॉन्सेप्ट, द डेप्थ ऑफ न्यूट्रल एक्सिस इज गिवन बाय, जल्दी बताओ, द डेप्थ ऑफ न्यूट्रल एक्सिस is given by, this will be m divided by m plus sigma st by sigma cbc into d. ठीक है, सिमिलर ट्राइंगल का लगाने के बाद आपके पास यही आता है m divided by m plus sigma st by sigma cbc into d. This is also called the depth factor. okay, if you are finding the critical depth of neutral axis, then this will be the critical depth factor. तो यहां से सारी वैल्यू पुट कर दो. m की वैल्यू कितनी है? 18. m की 18 प्लस सिग्मा एस टी कितना है? सिग्मा एस टी कितना है? 180/4. चेक करो 180/4. और डी की वैल्यू दे रखी है क्या? इफेक्टिव डेप्थ कितना है? 42 सेंटीमीटर. तो आंसर भी 70 मीटर में ही आ जाएगा. आंसर ऑल्सो विल बी गेटिंग इन सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके, कितना आ रहा है जल्दी बताओ. फ्रॉम हियर कैलकुलेटिंग दिस विल बी 12 सेंटीमीटर्स. प्लीज डू चेक इट गाइस, एवरीवन. कम ऑन जल्दी बोलो. यही आ रहा है सबका? गिव मी यस और नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन यार. गिव मी यस और नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एवरीबॉडी. नेक्स्ट चलें? शैल वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट? चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ठीक है. देखो, again modification is there, again modification is there. That is why I am taking these both questions as question number 4, because earlier if only modification की बात होती, that we have done as question number 1 only. Okay, so there are two parts of it, both I have taken as question number 4. Okay, because the second part we have not done. So maximum depth of neutral axis is asked. चलो 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 फोड़ो everyone. यहां पे वापस से if I make the strain diagram, then in the concrete side, this is the effective depth, guys. 450 is the effective depth. What is the strain? 0.003. 0.003, correct? Correct. Okay, the strain in the is 0.03 instead of 0.035. Except this value, all values are standard values as per IS 456. Okay, so what is this standard value? Because only one change is there. Except all this is as per the code 1.15 ES plus 0.002 as per the standard code. Because only one, they are saying only one is changed. Instead of 0.035, it is 0.003. Except all values for code, and the code this is the value. Now here again, if we apply the similar triangle, that is 0.003 divided by Fs upon 1.15 ES plus 0.002, let it be XU limiting. So this length will be D minus XU limiting. D is given as 450. Okay, this is XU limiting, similar triangle. D minus XU limiting. On this equation only XU limiting is unknown. D is unknown 450. Fs or you call it Fy. Fy is grade of steel. कितना है? What is the grade? 415. ES is 2 into 10 की power 5. Everything is known. So from here XU limiting is 198.40. A option. From here XU limiting is 198.40 mm. Tell me please. Tell me please. Everyone. Got it? Got it? Okay, but now my question is, because the same question we have done as question number 1, these two both I have taken question number 4. The beam falls in which category? Under reinforced, balanced, over reinforced, or what? Or the data is insufficient? The beam is in which category? That is the question. Hit it, guys. Hit it hard. Hit it hard, guys. Everyone, come on. बता दो भाई. The beam is in which category? The beam comes under which category? Okay, and let me again telling you, where is the XU limiting? 198.440. XU limiting. XU limiting. XU limiting is 198.40 mm. शाबाश बेटा, गायब हो जा तू. XU limiting is 1. Now we have to calculate the actual depth of neutral axis, and then we can compare. Now we have to calculate the actual depth of neutral axis, then we can compare. Correct? Correct? Do it. Do it, guys. Actual depth of neutral axis, and then you can compare. Fast. कैसे करोगे? How you will be doing this? Okay, suppose the strain diagram, first of all, फिर जगह मिलेगी क्या? इसको कहीं ऊपर लिखता हूँ. XU limiting is 198.40. यहाँ लिखता हूँ क्योंकि जगह नहीं मिलेगी. After that we will not be getting the space. 198.40 mm है ना? Okay, let me rub this and make the space. And in fact let me make this a little smaller and smaller also, and put it here. Put it here. Okay, now see, if I make the strain and stress diagram, if I make, this is the strain diagram, here it is 0.003, all values are same, then it is 0.002, then it is 0.002, and then after that this value is Fy by ES or Fy or Fy by 1.15 or 0.875, both are same thing. Both are same thing because 1 upon 1.15 is 0.87. Fy by ES into 1.15, 0.002. Correct? Correct? Okay. And if I make the stress diagram, then when the strain is from 0.002 to 0.0035, in this yellow strain, the stress is constant, that is 0.45 FCK. Okay, in this yellow region the stress is constant, that is 0.45 FCK. Now you will be saying, sir, the stress is not there, 0.45 FCK. By applying the partial factor acceptor, then other factor of safety, it will be 0.45 FCK. After that, now here is the green strain. For this green strain, this green region, okay, that was the yellow region. Now for the green region, it is parabolic like this. Correct? Now the compressive force of this yellow will be C1 and the compressive force of this green will be C2. Now this is 0.003 and 0.002. So if you apply the similar triangle, this length and this length, okay, if you apply the similar triangle in this small triangle and this bigger triangle, 0.002 by this small length, 0.003 by this bigger length, then what we will find that this x1, this is xu by 3, this length is xu by 3 and this length is 2xu by 3. Okay, how we find this? Take this as alpha, this is xu minus alpha, if total length is xu, then apply the similar triangle in this bigger triangle and this small triangle, you easily get this. Okay, xu by 3 and 2 by 3xu. Now what is this C1? What is C1? C1 is area of stress diagram into width. C1 is area of stress diagram into width. Okay, but here the stress is constant. So we can easy, why to do, chalo area nikal do. 0.45, otherwise stress into area we can do, because in this region it is a constant stress. So constant stress into area. Okay, so that area is B into xu by 3. Correct? B into xu by 3. Jaldi bolo. Everybody. That will be B. And here, this green C2 is area of stress diagram into width, because here we cannot, it is not constant. We cannot find force stress into area. Stress is not constant. Even it is linear, then we can find the average stress. Here plus here by 2 into area. But here it is not linear also, not constant also. So here the general formula that is applicable everywhere for finding the force, even in fluids for finding the force due to pressure, is area of stress diagram into width. So what is the area of stress diagram? 2 by 3 base into height, 0.45 FCK into height, 2 xu by 3, 2 by 3 B into H into area of stress diagram into width. So width is B. Check it please. Check it. Now total force will be C1 plus C2 and total force will be, you are finding from here 0.35, but 3.6 से बस इतना सा change हुआ. 0.01 के लिए we have done this. 0.35 FCK B into XU. This is the net compressive force. This is the net compressive force, 0.35 FCK into B into XU. Now do C is equal to T. So 0.35 FCK B into XU. What is the tensile force? Stress into area. 0.875 is the stress into AST. 0.875 Fy means Fy by 1.15. From here everything is given. You will be finding XU is 135.2. XU is 135.2 and that is XU limiting. So our XU is less than XU limiting. So it is under reinforced section. Give me yes or no, everybody, for this beautiful question. Give me yes or no, guys. Should I repeat it again? Tell me on the comment box. I'll repeat it. Should I repeat it again? Tell me on the comment box, guys. I will be more than happy to repeat it. Jaldi bolo. Jaldi bolo. Everybody. I will repeat it if you want. Concept clear? Just blank. Okay. Jayasuriya, what we have done, we have find out this is 0.003 given in the question. That is 0.002 given in the question. So we have find this and this. If total is XU, applying similar triangle, we find this and this. Now this is the stress diagram given in the question. So what is the C1 is the compressive force in this constant region. Okay, in this green region, C2 is the thing. Then we find C1 and C2. C1 is stress into area. Here the stress is constant. And when the stress is parabolic varying, we are doing average stress into width. Okay, so C is equal to C1 plus C2. T is equal to 0.87 of IST. Comparing C and T, we find XU. XU limiting is this, as we have earlier calculated. So XU is less than XU limiting, so it is under reinforced category. Got it, guys? Out of 4 questions, we have done super duper 4 questions. In fact, we have done 6 questions. But question number 1 and 1 dash I have taken as 1. Question number 4 and 4 dash I have taken as 1. Tell me, have you understood this, guys? Yes or no? Now this is the 5th question. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Okay, first of all, the grade of concrete is this. Ultimate moment of resistance is asked. है ना? So what is XU limiting? XU limiting for Fe250. For Fe250 it is 0.53D. What is D? 0.53 into 350. So the value of XU limiting is how much? 185.5. And for finding XU, we will do C is equal to T. What is the compressive force? 0.36 FCK into B into XU is equal to 0.87 FY into AST. So 0.36 FCK is 30, B is 250 into XU is equal to 0.87 FY is 250 and AST is 1800. So from here the value of XU is how much? Jaldi bolo. 145. So as XU is less than XU max. Okay, XU is XU max. So it is under reinforced. So in under reinforced, the MU value is 0.87 FI AST. This is the force into lever arm. So lever arm is D minus 0.42 into XU. This is not plus AST into 0.87 FY AST into D minus 0.42 XU, that is the limiting R, force into distance. From here you will be getting 113.18. 113.18, that is option number A. 113.18 kilonewton meter. Give me yes or no, everybody. Have you understood? जल्दी से बोल दो, जल्दी से बोल दो. Understood or not? Understood or not? Got it? Okay, so these are the 5 questions. Can you please tell me that how much you got here? How many of you have done it correct? So guys, this is the revision series by me and Dheeraj sir. This will be starting from 16th of September. Complete SOM will be done. Okay, 1 chapter me and Dheeraj sir will be taking, then me, then Dheeraj sir, then me, then Dheeraj sir, me and Dheeraj sir. What we will be doing in this series? We will be suppose we take this chapter or we take this, any chapter we take. So first we will be doing the revision through formula and then we will be doing the practice sessions, which includes, I repeat, which includes MCQ, MSQ and NAT, all 3 types of questions. Okay? Okay guys, every chapter of SOM we are doing here in the YouTube only. Okay? So guys, this is 11 AM now tomorrow. 11 AM on Thursday. We are coming with a complete mock test. Complete mock test exactly as per gate pattern. Okay? See, sir will be taking maths, SOM, FM. Ma'am will be taking other subjects like aptitude and her technical subjects. I will be taking my technical subjects like SOM, survey, structural analysis, RCC and all. So guys, this will be 11 AM tomorrow and this is the practice session revision series of SOM by me and Dheeraj sir. This is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. You can join here, guys. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Thank you. Thank you all. Take care. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow at 11. Thank you. 11 a.m. complete gate mock test. Thank you.